Kim Kardashian. A graded reader, level A1. Chapter 1, The Kardashian Family. Kim has a very big family. She has 4 sisters. Their names are Kourtney, Khloe, Kendall, and Kylie. She also has 1 brother. His name is Rob. Her mother's name is Kris. Kris is a very busy woman. She helps all her children with their work. The family is very close. They spend a lot of time together. They have many big parties for birthdays. They talk to each other every day. In this family, there is always something happening. People love to see the sisters together. Kim loves her family very much. Family is the most important thing to her. Chapter 2, Life in California. Kim lives in Los Angeles, California. She grows up in a place called Beverly Hills. The weather in California is usually warm and sunny. The sun shines almost every day. Kim likes the lifestyle in the city. When she is a young girl, she goes to a good school. She has many friends in school. She likes fashion even when she is very young. She looks at fashion magazines with her sisters. She dreams of a big and exciting life. Now, she has a very large house in a place called Hidden Hills. The house is very big and all white. It is very quiet and clean inside. She likes to keep her home organized. Chapter 3, The Famous TV Show. In the year 2007, a new TV show begins. The name of the show is Keeping Up with the Kardashians. The show is about Kim and her family. Cameras follow Kim every day. The cameras are in her house and at her work. People watch the show on their televisions at home. The show is a very big success. People like to see the family's problems and their fun times. They like to see the sisters talk and laugh. Kim becomes very famous because of this show. The show stays on television for many, many years. It changes Kim's life forever. Now, people all over the world know who she is. She is a real TV star. Chapter 4, Fashion and Style. Kim is not just a star on television. She is also a very smart businesswoman. She loves clothes, shoes, and makeup. Fashion is her favorite hobby and her job. She starts a company for special clothes. The company is called Skims. Many people buy her clothes because they are comfortable. She also has a business for skin cream and makeup. Kim wants to help people feel beautiful. She goes to big fashion events in Paris, London, and Milan. She wears amazing dresses from famous designers. Photographers take many pictures of her clothes. Many women want to look like Kim. She works very hard on her business every day. She is a fashion icon for millions of people. Chapter 5, Kim and her children. Kim is a very busy mother. She has 4 children. She has 2 daughters and 2 sons. Their names are North, Saint, Chicago, and Sam. North is the oldest daughter. She is very creative and likes music. Saint is the oldest son. He likes to play sports and run. Chicago is a young girl with a pretty smile. Sam is the youngest baby in the family. Kim loves her children more than anything. They play together in their big house every day. In the morning, Kim makes breakfast for them. She takes them to school in her car. At night, she reads stories to them in bed. The children are very happy with their mom. Kim says that being a mother is her favorite job. Her family is full of love and laughter. Chapter 6, The Queen of Social Media. Kim is very famous on the internet. Millions of people follow her on Instagram and TikTok. She posts many pictures every day. She shares photos of her beautiful clothes. She shares photos of her house and her travels. People from all over the world write comments. They say, "You look beautiful," or "I love your style." Kim uses her phone to talk to her fans. She shows her life to the world. The photos are always very bright and professional. She uses social media for her business too. When she has a new lipstick or a new dress, she posts it. Many people buy things because Kim likes them. She is one of the most popular people online. She knows how to use the internet very well. She is truly the queen of social media. Chapter 7: Studying to be a lawyer. Kim wants to help people in a new way. She decides to study the law. Her father, Robert, was a very famous lawyer many years ago. Kim wants to be like her father. She studies very hard every night. She reads very big books about rules and justice. Law school is not easy for her. She has many difficult tests to pass. Kim wants to help people who are in prison by mistake. She visits the White House to talk to the president. She talks about how to change the laws in America. Some people are surprised because she is a TV star. But Kim is very smart and very serious. She spends many hours studying her books. She wants to make the world a better place. She never gives up on her dreams. Chapter 8: Traveling around the world. Kim travels to many different countries for work and fun. She goes to Paris for big fashion shows. She goes to Italy to eat delicious pasta and see the sun. One of her favorite places is Armenia. Her family is from Armenia many years ago. She visits the old churches and meets the people there. She takes her children to see where their family is from. Kim also likes to visit Japan. She likes the food and the beautiful gardens in Tokyo. She flies on a big private airplane. The airplane is very comfortable and clean. She takes many pictures of the clouds and the cities. Every trip is a new adventure for her. She learns about different cultures and languages. Kim loves to see the big, wide world. Chapter 9: A Day in Her Life. Every day is different for Kim Kardashian. She wakes up very early in the morning. Usually, she wakes up at 5:30 a.m. or 6 a.m. First, she goes to her home gym to exercise. Exercise helps her stay strong and healthy. Then, she has a healthy breakfast with her 4 kids. After breakfast, her work day begins. She goes to her office for many meetings. She looks at new colors for her makeup line. She checks the fabric for her skin's clothes. In the afternoon, she has photo shoots for magazines. She spends a lot of time with her hair and makeup team. In the evening, she has dinner with her sisters or her friends. They talk about their day and they laugh a lot. She goes to bed late because she is very busy. She works very hard to be successful. Chapter 10: Kim's Big Future. Kim Kardashian is a woman with many big plans. She is already very successful and rich. But she wants to do more in the future. She wants to finish her law studies and become a real lawyer. She wants to help more people find justice. Her fashion business continues to grow every year. She wants to create new things for people to enjoy. Her children are growing up fast too. She wants to be a great mother and see them be happy. Kim is an inspiration for many young women. She shows that you can be a mother and a business leader. She shows that hard work is very important. People will continue to watch her on television and online. Her story is not finished yet. The future looks very bright for Kim. She is ready for the next adventure. Now you know the story of Kim Kardashian. Thank you for reading about her journey. The end.